Are you someone who loves to experiment in the kitchen, but doesn't want to clutter your countertop with too many appliances? Do you crave versatility, ease of use, and top-tier cooking performance? This Marteck 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill is here to transform your cooking experience. With its dual-purpose design, removable griddle pan, and advanced temperature control, this innovative kitchen tool is the answer to all your cooking needs, whether you're in your kitchen, hosting a barbecue, or even camping outdoors. This 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill is a must-have addition to any modern kitchen. Not only does it offer unparalleled convenience and flexibility, but it also combines functionality and style in one sleek, compact device. Here's a closer look at why this cooktop is a game-changer for culinary enthusiasts. Why choose the Marteck 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill? When you invest in the Marteck Induction Cooktop and Grill, you're choosing a product that delivers exceptional versatility, efficient cooking, and easy cleanup. Below, we'll break down its key features and how it stands out among other cooking appliances. The Marteck 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill combines two essential kitchen tools into one sleek appliance. It features an 1800-watt induction burner that heats up quickly, providing fast, precise cooking for everything from stir-fries to boiling pasta. The removable non-stick griddle pan allows you to enjoy your favorite grills like steaks, burgers, and veggies without the hassle of a separate grill. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, this appliance can handle it all. Cooking your favorite dishes just got easier. The Marteck Induction Cooktop offers 8 adjustable temperature levels, giving you full control over your cooking. Whether you need to sauté delicate vegetables or sear a juicy steak, the intuitive control panel allows you to easily adjust the temperature to suit your cooking needs. This feature ensures that you can cook everything from low and slow to high-heat grilling, all with precision. The Marteck 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill is designed to be compact, sleek, and stylish, making it the perfect addition to kitchens with limited counter space. Its modern black exterior complements any kitchen decor, adding a touch of elegance to your cooking area. The compact size also makes it an excellent choice for apartment living, small kitchens, or even outdoor use for camping or tailgating. One of the biggest challenges of cooking is the cleanup afterward. But with the Marteck Induction Cooktop and Grill, that's not a concern. The removable griddle pan allows for quick and easy cleaning. After cooking, simply remove the pan, wipe down the smooth glass surface, and you're done. The non-stick surface ensures that food residue doesn't stick, so cleanup is fast and effortless. Whether you're cooking at home, in the office, or hosting a barbecue party in your backyard, the Marteck 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill is versatile enough to handle it all. The compact design and dual functions make it an excellent choice for people who love to cook anywhere, anytime. When compared to other cooking devices, the Marteck 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill excels in versatility. Many traditional cooking appliances, like griddles and stoves, can be bulky and limited in function. The Marteck Induction Cooktop stands out because it combines two appliances in one, offering both an induction cooktop and a grill function, saving space and improving efficiency. Who should buy the Marteck 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill? This 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Griddle is perfect for home chefs. Anyone who enjoys cooking and needs versatility will appreciate the Marteck 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill for its wide range of cooking options and easy cleanup. Families, whether you're making a quick weeknight dinner or a big weekend barbecue, this cooktop is ideal for family meals. Outdoor enthusiasts, if you love camping or outdoor activities, the compact and portable design makes this cooktop perfect for cooking while on the go. Busy individuals, for those with limited kitchen space or time, the Marteck Induction Cooktop saves you from needing multiple appliances and offers fast cooking with minimal cleanup. Conclusion: this Marteck 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop and Grill is a standout appliance for anyone who values flexibility, ease of use, and quick cleanup in the kitchen. Its dual functionality, advanced temperature control, and stylish design make it a must-have for busy families, home chefs, and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're cooking indoors or grilling outdoors, this versatile cooktop delivers top-notch performance and results every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.